Uh, hey Bonnie. Hey Bonnie, it's Cory. How's it going?
Hey, Cory.
Oh, Cory, you look nice today. Oh, thanks, Bonnie. You know, you look pretty nice too. I like your dress.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I like this dress. It's one of my favorite.
Oh, well, I can see why. You look very, very pretty. Oh, well,
Thanks, Cory. You look nice too.
oh, well, I was still kind of working on the homework, and I noticed he did some fraction work with the, I think you called it the distributive property. Do you think you could help me with that?
Well, you were being really nice, Cory. So yeah, I'll help you out.
Oh, great. That's great. So I noticed this one's really hard. I'm a little confused about it. It's, he did it was again, I'm not sure how to read it, but it's, he had the 18, I think it's negative 18, and then this terms on the inside is x, I don't know, there's a little 2 up there, I don't know what that means, and then x, and then you have fraction in here, and it's just, I don't know what to do with this fraction.
Well, Cory, okay. I really want you to understand this, okay? Because he's going to be giving us more problems like this, he said. And so you got to make sure you understand it, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna listen, okay?
All right. Well,
So, again, Cory, you have to learn how to read this, okay? It's negative 18, and then every 18 is being multiplied by all these terms on the inside. Cory, do you know how many terms are inside the parentheses? Yeah, I think there's 3, right? There's the first one there, and then the plus and the minus, they separate the terms, right?
yeah, that's exactly right, Cory. Good job.
So I'm gonna just show you every step, okay? Because he wants to see this kind of work. So what you can do is you can take this negative 18 and then just, Cory, what you want to do is you want to put every term by itself in the parentheses. If that way you show Mr. Garcia that you know that what you're doing is you're distributing. You're putting the 18 and you're multiplying by all the terms. But you see, now look, I forgot. See, you have to, before you even put the steps, you want to change the subtraction to addition. Remember, Cory? He said that in class like 3 times. So you need to make sure you change this minus here into a plus, and then that turns the fraction into a negative number. Okay? So that's the first step. Oh yeah, I'm getting good at that. I pretty much know how to do that because every time I see a minus, I just change it to a plus, and then the second number becomes, or the number next to it becomes a negative. Well, Cory, not always. Sometimes if the number is negative, then it becomes a positive because remember, subtracting a negative is the same thing. Oh yeah, it's adding a positive. Yeah, I get that. I remember. Okay, well don't forget because you're going to have to do it like a million more times. So then you want to do plus and then minus, or excuse me, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I meant to say negative. It's negative 2 over 3. No, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Well, I think I know what you did. You forgot to put the 18, right? Because you have to do the 18 times all 3.
Yeah, that's right, Cory. You're getting good. You're getting good, Cory.
Okay, let me go ahead and just erase that. Let me see here. Yeah, okay, yeah. Alright, that sounds good. Now, so I'm gonna put the negative 18, and then in the parentheses, I'm gonna put 2/3.
Okay, Cory, now remember, what did we just talk about? Okay, it's plus, but then you're doing the negative 18 times what? What are you missing, Cory?
Oh yeah, the negative. I'm gonna put the negative there. Okay, so again, I forget how to multiply these things. It's very new to me. I don't know. That's okay, Cory. That's okay. You know, with the way you look, I'm really thinking you can do this. You look really good, so hopefully you can do the math good too. Oh, thanks. Thank you, Bonnie. That's very nice of you.
So, Cory, what you want to do is you want to take the negative 18 and you want to say negative 18 times x squared. And so you just want to put them together, remember? Remember? And then you want to do plus, and then negative 18 times x is x, okay? And then here's the part that I think you might be struggling with, right, Cory? Yeah, I mean, I don't understand. Like, where does the 18 go? I don't know. I forget how to multiply. Cory, remember the math POLs from last semester? Remember we had to present on multiplying, dividing fractions? And then like for dividing, you do this whole thing like keep, change, flip, right? Well, this one, you don't have to do that. And Mr. Garcia says every number you could just write as over 1, right? Remember? Oh yeah, that's right. Like any number is kind of like a fraction, but it has a 1 on the bottom. Duh, that's right, Cory. You should remember that. Don't forget that. It's important. Okay, Bonnie. Yeah, I'll get it. So now what, Cory? Now what do you do? Oh, I don't remember. I'm sorry. I forget. Okay, Cory, that's okay. How about we just take it step by step? So this is 18 over 1 times negative 2 times 3. Now, don't forget the negative here on the outside right there. That's a negative. So what's a negative times a negative? A negative times a negative. Oh, I know that. That's a positive. Yeah, so it's going to be a positive number. Now you want to multiply the 18 and the 2 together, and you want to multiply the 1 and the 3 together. And so what you get is 36 over 3. Okay, so you just multiply the two numbers on the top together, and you multiply the two numbers on the bottom together. Yeah, Cory, that's right. That's what you want to do. And then you don't forget the negatives. And so it's a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so I'm done. Thank you, Bonnie. I appreciate that. Cory, you're almost done, Cory. You're almost done. What you can do now is you have to now rewrite the whole thing again. Mr. Garcia wants you to do the whole thing because every time you change one thing, you have to rewrite it. Oh, but there's nothing to change, right? No, Cory, look at the fraction here. Look at the fraction. This is 36 over 12. What can you do here? Oh, you can simplify, right? You can simplify. Yes, Cory, 36 divided by 3 is 12. And so now you have to rewrite the whole thing as negative 18 x squared. Now remember, this is an exponent, Cory. So this is a power. So it's like x times x is x squared. This is x to the 2 power. Oh, okay, so okay, so that's how you say it. Yeah, Cory. And then what you want to do is you just want to finish the rest. Then we're going to do negative 18x plus 12, and then you're done, Cory. Oh, okay. Thanks, Bonnie. I really appreciate it. Hey, so I had this Jamba Juice gift card. Maybe one of these days we can go grab some juice together. Oh, that's really sweet, Cory. I like that. Maybe next time when we go, I can wear this dress and you can wear that tie. Oh, that would be great. All right, Bonnie. Bye. Bye, Cory.